What up, hooligans? It's me, Jennifer, and I am a messy person. Over the past couple of months, I have watched my room get messier and messier as my life got messier and messier until my room is in the state of literal chaos, as is my life. It's not the greatest feeling in the world walking into my room and feeling like a filthy mess of a human, and it's one of those things where I don't really notice my room getting messy until 6 months later when I've finished the 8th straight episode of Love Island. I close my laptop and look around and realize, holy Shakespeare was right. Thou needeth clean thy room. That is a direct quote from Romeo and Juliet. I've just gotten to the point where my brain is just a mess, and I'm hoping that cleaning my room will help a little bit. Let's get to it. First step, tying up my hair. Done. Now, if I'm being honest here, usually at this step I would procrastinate and would put it off till the next month, but I'm trying to be a responsible human being, so I guess I will do something. Which is, you know what, I'll make the bed. Seems the easiest. You know, some people might think that I'm just trying to be, you know, a quirky, relatable, oh my gosh, I have a messy room, blah blah blah. You think I want to be like this? You think I want to walk into my room and be disgusted by my own filth and live in it for 6 months? No! If I could be an organized, perfect human, I truly would be. When my life goes messy, my room goes messy. Hi. So at this point, I have finished with the bed area, and I've decided the next step I want to take is like cleaning up this floor area. The biggest problems here are these boxes. I have so many boxes, but I also do have some giveaway prizes that I need to ship out, so I can reuse these boxes for those. So I have to decide what I'm gonna keep and reuse and what I'm gonna recycle. I think I'm gonna use this one for a giveaway box, so I'm gonna see if I can fit everything in here. I think this, okay, what is going on? These are the giveaway prizes. They're not gonna fit in here, so I'm gonna relocate them. I have a lot of space left in here, so I'm gonna fill it with some bubble wrap stuff. Okay. Oh no. Perfect! I'm just gonna put this to the side for now. Ugh. This will fit in here. Okay, so now I've got all of the giveaway boxes sorted away. The rest of these pretty much can be flattened out and recycled. I know this is a lot of boxes and it looks like a lot of waste, which it is, but I'm gonna be recycling all of it. And keep in mind, this has been piling up for a couple months, so it's not just from like 1 or 2 days. And whenever I do order stuff, I'm so out of breath right now. Give me a second. Whenever I do order stuff on Amazon, I always try to group the items together so they can be shipped in the same box. Also, I know cleaning can get kind of boring. Well, actually, to me, cleaning is pretty fun. It's just like such a big chore that I always put it off. But once I'm actually cleaning, I'm like, this is actually kind of therapeutic. But if you do get bored, you can put on music, put on a TV show. Currently, I'm obsessed with Love Island. I've watched like 20 episodes in the past like 4 days, which is insane. But if you want to put on some music, I am gonna link my Spotify down below. Currently, I'm listening to my October playlist. Also, if you want to check out my song, Talking Loud, it is on Spotify. You can check out the music video. I'm doing some deep self promo right here, but like, it's up to you, you know? I'm just out here decomposing boxes. Great Friday night. I recently... Oh! I'm okay. I'm just gonna have a huge bruise on my knee tomorrow. I recently got really in a snacky mood at night. Sometimes I will straight up eat lemons. It's kind of bad. I don't really know where to put these right now. I think I'm gonna eventually put them in the kitchen. Oh, shoot! What time is it? Oh my gosh, I do not know where my phone is. I just realized I have a freaking meeting at 3 p.m. and what time is it? Oh my god, it's 2:56. I got so, oh my gosh. But I'm gonna have my call first and then I'll come back to cleaning. Oh my gosh, wait. I found a bug. I know it shouldn't be like freaking out this much, but I was just a little shook. I guess I've been living in my filth for so long that like these little critters were like, let's just build a little home in here. Also, my brother is playing piano next door, so that is what the music is. My life doesn't have a natural dramatic soundtrack just coming out its speaker system. Anyway, I seem to have lost the bug, so I feel like we'll see each other again at some point in this video. Maybe not. Maybe it's just gonna be with me forever. But anyway, I think I've finished with decomposing all of the boxes, so I'm gonna put these in the recycling, and then hopefully it'll clear up a bunch of space. I may need to take a couple trips. It's been a couple hours and I had dinner and had an emotional breakdown for dessert. I don't know if you can tell, but I've been crying. It's fine, it's really fine. I hope it's just PMS and hopefully it's not my life going literally into chaos. I just have a bunch of clothes on the ground right now and I'm gonna hang up the ones that I can wear again and then put the dirty stuff into the laundry. Oh my god. I got the bug. Crisis averted. I wish I got this part on camera, but I literally jumped when I saw this again, but little Benny here is squashed. PETA is coming for me. I'm sorry, but it had to be done. I have a bunch of my clothes folded here, and then I have a bunch of stuff for the laundry, and it's a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna just take these guys and put these in the laundry. I'll be back. Okay, cool. Now I'm just gonna put stuff away into drawers, and then I have this pile of clothes that like I never know where to put because they're slightly worn but they're not dirty enough to go into the wash, so I usually just like leave it on my chair. I'll probably like fold these up and put it on my chair so I can wear it again. Dude, every time I like take a single freaking step, I get so out of breath.
See you walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile? We'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Hello. Just wait a second. I'm eating an icebreaker. Okay, hello. It is the next day again, and I kind of finished cleaning my desk and my floor. I kind of do this thing where I like half clean everything, and then I get to kind of like the final stages, and there's a bunch of like little random knickknacks that I don't know what to do with, so I kind of just leave that area and then move on to the next. This is kind of what we have arrived to. My laptops and stuff have to remain here, my notebook has to remain here, my pencil case, but it's like this stuff I don't really know where to put it yet, so I'm gonna deal with it later. Generally, this is what my room is looking like, which is a lot cleaner than what we started with, but still kind of messy. So I'm gonna move on to my shelf area, which over here we have some Christmas decorations that are from last year, and I have my little Christmas tree here that I never put away, and I have this giant dump of stuff. I have a bunch of like PR packages here that I have to take care of. So there's a lot of like logistics to figure out, which is why it always takes me so long to clean my room, because I don't know where to put certain things. Guys, look at the freaking sky right now. Look at how pretty that is. Can we just appreciate nature right now? Oh my gosh. Look at how freaking dead this plant is. I did that. And succulents are like totally forgot the Vampire Diaries was on and someone was about to kill someone. Yeah, succulents are like impossible to kill, and yet here we are. Goodbye. Alright, I have relocated to the floor because we're gonna take care of some PR. I am wearing shorts, so don't worry, you're not gonna see anything special today. Just my shining personality. Anyway, I have a bunch of products back here. I think this one's just an empty box. Oh, I think these things I was prepared to give away. It's like a bunch of products from CYO, which I love you guys, CYO, but it's literally an entire freaking box. I might do a giveaway soon, maybe on my Instagram, so stay tuned on my Instagram. I just need somewhere to put this for now. I think I'm gonna put it in my closet. Yeah. But I have this whole box that I need to take care of, and I have this giant bag that's in my closet where I usually put some of my PR packages that I want to keep. So I have these compartments in here where I organize the makeup. I really am so thankful and so mind blown that I get sent PR packages, and I guess like when I first started to get them I was just so over the moon that I was getting them that there weren't any worries. But now that I get more packages and it's been a couple years, they kind of start to pile up, and I don't want to sound ungrateful, but it does become kind of an issue when you have nowhere else to put them, which is why I do a bunch of giveaways and I give a lot of it away to my friends. In the grand scheme of things, it's not a bad problem to have, obviously, but it is still something that I do have to think about. Alright, everything that I want is packed into this guy, and these are some things that I don't really know what to do with, so for now they're just gonna be shoved into my closet. It is now 1 a.m. and my entire family is asleep, so I have to be quiet. But I am trying to put the finishing touches on cleaning my room. I have this giant pack of mason jars. I got them as glasses for like drinking, but also organization. Problem is, I don't actually have that many things to organize, so I'm trying to figure out a place to put these. But for now, I think I can use this for my desk, and the rest of them I might just put on my shelf. Here are all my mason jars, and it looks like I'm about to make 1,000 pickles, or I'm a creepy person who bottles my own fingernails for fun. But rest assured, I'm not a psychopath. Well, no, I'm not. Alright, at this point I'm almost done. I just have a couple of things on the floor. These are all things that I want to donate, mostly clothes, but I also have like products that I can donate to women's shelters. So this will all be out of the room. Some clothes I have to take to laundry, recycling, new clothes from the laundry that I have to put away. And then for the desk, I mean, to figure out a place for this guy and this guy, and then just a couple of things like to put away here. And then we'll be on our way. Hello, it is 3 a.m. now, and I'm finally finished cleaning my room. Let me show you what it looks like now.
Could you understand how good I love you? I don't know what's inside my cup, or why I feel like I'm high enough. I think I'm lit on love. I think I'm lit on you. I don't know what's inside my cup, or why I feel like I'm high enough. I think I'm lit on love. I think I'm lit on you. I think I'm lit on love. I think I'm lit on you. I think I'm lit on love. I think I'm lit on you.
Hello! You've made it to the end of this video! Congrats! I realized I forgot to film an outro. Also, I'm freaking cold right now. That's why I look like a yellow crayon. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you guys won't have to see one of these videos soon, because hopefully I have finally turned into an adult who can keep her room clean for at least like a day. But who knows? Thank you guys so much for watching me turn my filth into gold. Well, shout out of the week is right here, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
Waking up in the